guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another neutral look for deep set eyes. I think this would work really well for hooded eyes as well. So it is about eyeshadow placement. We are going to be placing our eyeshadow a little bit differently today to get a really lifted look, really lifted on the outer corner of the eye. It is giving like a vixen, really sultry eye, and I am here for it. So if you guys would like to see how I created this eyeshadow look and how the placement is going to work for deep set hooded eyes, then just keep watching. I'm going to start by putting a little bit of the Incognito Wet n Wild concealer on my lids, and I'm just going to focus more into the crease, just where there is those cooler tones. Just trying to flat out in the lid a little bit. Also gonna give a little squirt of the CoverGirl Priming Mist Glow over my face and on the lids, just to give extra hydration, and this will help to give the eyeshadow a little bit more pigment and hold in the color for a longer period of time. First, I'm gonna start out with this mid-tone brown. It's kind of like a bronzer shade, so perfect for the eyelids, just really neutral, and it's gonna have some pigment to it as well. So this will be the color that I use for the outside. So I'm just gonna go in with my Mud 800S brush, just a round domed fluffy brush. And I'm gonna go in to the outer corner. I'm just gonna lift my lid a little bit, and I'm gonna try and really put that product on vertically. That is pigmented. That looks a lot more pigmented than it is in the pan. Now I'm just going to take a fluffy brush from my e.l.f. brushes. This one is just a fluffy eye blender, and I'm just going to blend. So you can already see how much that just opened up the eye, using that dark tone on the outside and going more vertically, like placing the eyeshadow more vertically. Gives a lot of lift to the brow as well. Now I'm going to go in with this neutral tone, which is a little bit lighter than this matte brown color we have. I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill JH35 brush. So this is going to pick up a little bit less pigment, a little bit fluffier, and we're going to do the same placement, going vertically up. It's perfect for deep set eyes because we're connecting up here. When the eye is open, we can see the shadow. It's not making our eyes look more sunk in by just putting the dark tones right in the crease. Just gonna lift my eye a little bit too. My eye's aging, so there's some creping in the skin. So to get a flatter, smoother finish, I'm just gonna lift my eye. Go in with a flat brush and this light creamy vanilla tone right here. I'm gonna pick up the product, and then I'm gonna keep with the same placement, but I'm just gonna go to the inner corner. Not gonna place it up on top of the brow bone. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the even lighter shade. and just pop that into the crease. Brightening that inner corner. Now I'm going to go in with a tiny angled brush from Mud. This is, do I have a number on it anymore? No number left. So just a really tiny precise angle brush will work for this. And I'm going to go into the black shade. And I'm going to do the same sort of placement, trying to go up really vertically with the shadow. You can kind of angle it in. And we'll flick it a little bit on top of that brow bone. You can just take a Q-tip too and just clean up the outer edges. All right, just gonna take some of the mid-tone taupe color and my Jaclyn Hill JH40 brush. Just gonna go underneath my lower lash line. But I'm just gonna stick like to right tight along the lash line. I'm not gonna come out near the edge at all, because I want to keep that lifted look. So I just put on some mascara and tightlined. I added some lip shine. I used the Wet n Wild Rose Comforting Lip Color in the shade Biscotti Mommy. Love this one, and it smells like roses, and it's like the perfect neutral pinky tone. And voila, this is the final look for the eyes, for deep set eyes, a way to place your shadow to get a really lifted look, especially if you have a larger brow bone. Sometimes there's all different deep set eyes. Some deep set eyes have a larger lid space, or rounder, more protruding. Their brow bone is not as big, but this is really good for having deep set eyes as well as a bigger brow bone. So this probably actually work really nicely for hooded eyes as well. So this placement of placing the eyeshadow beside each other really vertically, and you just get that nice lifted look, and I am loving it. So simple. Also, this Makeup Revolution palette is like such a gem. The colors are very pigmented in it, and it is an affordable palette at the drugstore. So yeah, it's the Reloaded Velvet Rose palette. So I will link that in the description box for you guys as well. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.